This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by naming what pulls you in and why. Be specific. Once done, list the trigger songs, times of day, and the urge intensity so you can target them. Make a short commitment, a realistic reduction percentage or hours cap, and set alarms. Prepare replacement actions, one podcast episode, a 10-minute walk, or a chore list to reach for immediately when the urge hits. This primes your environment and gives you the first concrete steps to break the loop. You now interrupt the habit cycle with techniques that change automatic behavior. First, remove easy access. Delete playlists, hide apps, and turn off autoplay so you create friction. Once done, require a brief pause when the urge arises, set a 5 to 15-minute delay, and do a replacement task during that time. Make sure to reinforce progress. After each successful delay, give yourself a small reward. Over time, these delays weaken the cue response link and let new routines form. You finish by building maintenance habits that protect gains. Track your days for 2 weeks, noting victories and where you slipped so you can adjust triggers and replacements. Once stable, reintroduce favored songs only in controlled contexts, like 30-minute sessions after chores, so you regain enjoyment without relapse. If things go wrong, don't judge yourself. Tighten the rules temporarily, shorten goals, and enlist someone to check in. This troubleshooting step prevents backslide and keeps your new pattern resilient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.